Now, if you're not already tracking, Ryan Cohen just sold out 100% of his stake in Bed Bath & Beyond. Now, I just want to talk about the dangers of being a retail investor when you're playing stocks like this that have a massive run up. You're up against large investors that have multi-millions, even multi-billions in the game. Now, it's been calculated that he's probably going to walk away with the $60 million profit just on his Bed Bath & Beyond stocks. It was been speculated that he made around $600 million just from GameStop stock. Now, there's a small interview with Jim Cramer talking about this back in 2006, where as hedge fund managers, they downplay stocks and purposely trying to short them so they can make the most amount of money. The link for this will be down in the description. But if you're trying to play stocks only because they are shorted and you believe that there will be a short squeeze on the stock, just know that other institutional investors are looking into this and they're trying to maximize their profits too. And they have a lot more tools to their disposal that we don't have. So as a retail investor, you just have to know that you're a small fish in a large pond. And when you're playing stocks like this that are very risky, you have to make sure you set stop losses up to make sure you don't lose any of your profits. Now, the main benefit that we have as a retail investor is buying companies for the long term, because hedge fund managers and partners, they have to constantly make profits quarter over quarter. So that means they're constantly doing trades. So for us as retail investors, buying strong companies long term or even index funds can be the best. The only thing that we can do going forward is if we're playing stocks like this is to make sure that we have ourselves set up with the most amount of information ready to sell to take our profits. So for me, when I bought my small position of Bed Bath & Beyond, I went in with an exit strategy of selling at 40%. And this is just something to note that whenever you buy a position that you plan on short term, have an exit plan. So while it may be tempting to 10x or get 100x on whatever holdings you have, make sure you try and lock in some profits just so you're not walking away with nothing. Because at the end of the day, the game is hot potato and you just don't want to be the one holding it. Now, the main takeaway for Ryan Cohen and what's going to happen next is he didn't do anything illegal, so SEC will probably look into this, but nothing's going to happen to him. Now, he still has his holdings in GameStop, which is currently still around 9 million shares, and he hasn't sold them yet, so we'll see what he does with these holdings. But if you're trading or holding GameStop, let me know down in the comments below if you think Ryan Cohen plans on holding or even making the best decisions for the company. If you enjoyed the video, like or subscribe for more content like this.